Hello airdrop hunters, I am so sorry. First of all, this is a late update. I have made the tutorial some days back but I forgot to upload it. So remember, our goal when it comes to Venom Blockchain is to interact with any platform that is built on Venom Blockchain as an early participant. And today we'll be minting an NFT on Ventry. Ventry is an NFT marketplace that is initially built on the Venom network, and we'll be minting an NFT today. We have 4 hours left to do this, so let's get to work. So to get started, you need to switch to the browser section of your Venom wallet, and then you're going to paste the link to the NFT we want to mint on the search bar. I am going to pin that link in the comment section below this video. Allow the website to load, and here is the NFT that we want to mint, Venom Ape Club. Tap on connect to connect your wallet. So in order to mint their NFT, there are 2 tasks that we need to carry out. You can see it here, do the task below to mint NFT. And your very first task is to follow Ventry on Twitter. Ventry is the name of the marketplace where we want to mint NFT. So you click on the follow button. Tap on the follow button or wait for a pop-up to appear and then click on follow. Then go back to the Ventry website and verify if you have been able to follow them successfully. Good. Task number 1 done. So you want to do the second task, which is to follow Venom Ape Club on Twitter. So hit the follow button again. Venom Ape Club is the name of the NFT you are minting. So you go back to the Ventry website as well and confirm if you have been able to successfully follow Venom Ape Club. You are done with the 2 tasks. Now you can mint your NFT. As you can see the timer on this video, it was 3 days 16 hours. Then that was because I made this tutorial about 4 days ago. But right now there is 4 hours left, so if you can do this, it doesn't take it any time at all. So quickly do it and let's get it done with. Minting of the NFT is successful. Now if you go to your profile, you can check your NFT in your profile on Ventry Marketplace. Scroll down, and if you go to the activity tab on the screen here, you'll be able to see what you have done, and you can confirm that you have successfully minted an NFT. This is the details of the NFT that you minted. Now you can go back to your Venom wallet. But unfortunately, Venom has not yet updated their wallet for us Android users, so you won't be able to see the NFT immediately in your wallet. Normally, where you see transactions here, that is where your NFT assets are supposed to appear. But I think it has been updated for iOS users. I think iOS users can see their NFT tab on their Venom wallet. So that will be all for this tutorial.